we're going to start learning about more words and how to apply them for graphing linear equations. Today you're going to learn about domain and range. Now, the domain is the set of all x-coordinates of the ordered pair, x. Now remember, I told you we're going to call it coordinate pair. It's also coordinate point. It's also ordered pair. All of those things are x comma y. So let's look. The set of all x coordinates, that's the 3, the 0, the 3 again, and the 5. Those are all your x coordinates. That is the domain of that function. Range is all the y coordinates of the ordered pairs, okay? The y values that go up and down. And if you look at this little list right here, you've got 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are all the y values. I'm going to put that up here, x comma y. Now, how do you remember which coordinate goes with domain and which goes with range? Well, I'm going to teach you a little memory device. Let's think about the alphabet. Which comes first, x or y? T, W, X, Y. X comes first. All right, see, we've got x as the first letter, the first part of our coordinate pair. Well, word-wise, which comes first, domain or range? Well, D comes before R, so domain. What that means is the domain comes before the range. So alphabetical is a way you can remember what domain means. Domain is the left and right of your values, the x values, while range is the up and down of your values. All right, let's go to the last part. You will see something like this on your test and in Alex. Now to write this properly, when you are looking at these pairs, we're going to write the domain. You use the brackets and you write the domain, which is all the x coordinates, -4, -2, 0, and 3. And that's it. Now these happen to be in numerical order, and that's nice. I prefer them in numerical order. I call it proper math grammar when you put things in numerical order, but it will not be wrong if you don't. It just looks better. All right, let's do the range, which is the y coordinates. So the range, brackets again, I'm just moving left to right. 5, 4, -2. Now I've got another 5, but I already have 5 in my range. I don't need to write it again, so I'm not going to. And that's it. That covers the first half of day 2. The next half is going to be on functions.